Alright, dudes. Review of a jumper tire inflator combinationer thingy. Let's go. Nice. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay. Feel kind of cheap, but that's okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Cool. How do you turn it off? Okay. Well, let's just test that. I'm gonna go get a tire. Ooh. This is very flat, as you can see. Okay, let's see what we got. Very loud. But yeah, we're getting there. Okay, we need to do this in PSI. I need freedom units. No. There we go. Do that. All right. Nice. Nifty little thing. Did I scratch it already? Oh, look at that. Oh well. Okay, it said 10 psi. Let's see what this thing says. Yeah, that was like 9 psi. Cool. Thingy works. It's like 60 bucks on eBay. But it's also got jumper powers. So, good purchase? Maybe. Alright dudes, I'm out.